Hi, I'm Terry Fountain, the Sales Application Specialist here at Spee-Dee Packaging Machinery. I've been with Spee-Dee Packaging for 2 years, but in the industry for the last 17 years. I want to welcome you to our demonstration on Checkweighers and give you a brief overview of our experience. For years, Spee-Dee integrated with OEM Checkweighers, and back in 2001, we were confronted with a unique application where the customer required an inclined checkweigher to integrate between a bagger and a cartoner. Spee-Dee scoured the market looking for an appropriate solution and decided to build and supply the checkweigher ourselves. For the next 15 years, Spee-Dee built and designed checkweighers, but only for certain applications and only in conjunction with our fillers. The biggest reason for this is our checkweighers are PLC-based and integrate seamlessly with our fillers for automatic control and feedback. In 2017, in culmination of Spee-Dee's successes and experience, we decided to offer a standalone unit, and thus the Evolution series was introduced. The Evolution series is PLC-based, comes standard with a Maple HMI, and an EMFR load cell, which is the most accurate technology on the market today. The Evolution series can communicate with your equipment on the line or with a plant PLC through Ethernet IP. Please join me in watching the following video and stick around for a short Q&A session.
PLC-based checkweighers from Spee-Dee help you achieve accurate, reliable filling and weighing every time. Electromagnetic force restoration technology guarantees precise and reliable measurements that are 10 times more accurate than traditional strain gauge load cells. Unique 3-leg design makes balancing the unit in your facility quick and easy. Data collection is simple. An open architecture allows for easy data access, which can be downloaded via USB, Ethernet IP, Modbus, and other methods. The use of PLC-based controls allows for easy calibration. Whether it's static or dynamic, either process can be done by your own team in just a couple of minutes. No need for a service call or visit from a Spee-Dee technician. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be ready to start production in no time. A no-tool belt design allows for quick changes and easy access to the EMFR weigh cell. Spee-Dee high-speed checkweighers feature a small footprint, allowing them to easily integrate into your existing packaging line. Or integrate with a Spee-Dee auger, cup, or rotary filler. You can even use them as a standalone unit. From rigid containers to jars, bottles, stand-up packages, bags, and even heavy cases, Spee-Dee checkweighers offer ultimate versatility across many markets and applications. A unique dual-tear gross checkweigher system allows for even stricter measurement of products such as cannabis. This system has become popular as of late and easily integrates with various multi-head weighing systems to achieve accurate, reliable fills. While single-lane, inline configurations are the most common, there are several others that you can integrate into your line. Incline checkweighers can accurately check weights of bags coming from a vertical form-fill seal machine. Yes, the weigh cells can still weigh accurately on an angle based on their unique design. Multi-lane configurations can be designed to match the output of filling systems, such as cup filling lines. Inline filler checkweigher combination yields a small footprint using less floor space. When sanitary design is needed, no problem. We offer IP65 rated designs and ultra hygienic models with frames manufactured from solid stainless steel sheets, eliminating any hollow bodies. Finally, when you're looking to verify weights of larger containers, we've got you covered. Spee-Dee heavy-duty checkweighers can handle everything from large industrial bags to pails, drums, boxes, or even cases of product. At the end of the day, you must get saleable packages out the door at the correct weight and without waste. Spee-Dee checkweighers offer the versatility and ease of use you need to keep your operation running smoothly. How can we develop a check weighing solution to work for your packaging operation?
Welcome back. Before we jump into some frequently asked questions, I'd like to go over a brief overview of our product line. So we're going to start right here. This is our case checkweighers. This unit is designed to weigh full cases and detect whether or not individual packs are missing within that case. It uses a strain gauge load cell system that's tied into an Allen Bradley Micro 800 PLC. It features a Maple 7-inch HMI touchscreen. Then we've got our Evolution Series checkweighers. This is the workhorse of our checkweighers product line. This system uses an EMFR load cell from Wipatech. It's controlled by a Turk T-bend PLC, features the same Maple Systems HMI. This system is able to interface with any of our current generation controls packages on either our auger fillers or our volumetric cup fillers. It's also able to connect to the vast majority of our existing auger fillers that are out in the field, and it's able to tie in and do checkweight feedback to pretty much any filler that you can get. Then we'd like to introduce brand new 4-Pack Expo this year is our metal detector checkweighers combination system. So we have partnered with our friends over at Bunting for the metal detector, and we are able to provide now an integrated package with the checkweighers and the metal detector tied into one single unit. That's going to allow you guys to run your lines, taking up a lot less space than it would if you needed to have a separate metal detector. With that, we're going to jump into some frequently asked questions.
How accurate is the EMFR load cell?
How accurate is the EMFR load cell? So the EMFR load cell on our standard series has a repeatability of 0.2 grams, and we are also able to provide EMFR load cells that have an even higher degree of repeatability if the application supports it.
What is the accuracy of the case checkweighers?
The accuracy on the case checkweighers, the strain gauge load cells here have an accuracy of plus or minus 9 grams.
What rate can you take weights on the Evolution checkweighers?
What rates can we take weights on the Evolution checkweighers? So this is again going to be application dependent, but we can run as fast as 300 containers per minute on a smaller container such as a spice bottle.
I see there's reject bins on the metal detect checkweighers. Can you explain the reject bins and the lockable?
Yes, so you'll notice the 2 reject bins that are on the metal detectable checkweighers. What we have is a separate reject bin for when it's detected metal versus when it's detected a bad weight. A lot of times our customers are going to want to be able to try to recycle the product, which you can do if it's just a bad weight. But if metal is detected, that product obviously you don't want to be recycling back into your system. So we have separate bins available, and they are able to be locked out individually.
Can you explain the calibration process of the Evolution checkweighers?
The calibration process on the Evolution checkweighers is actually very straightforward and very simple. In my opinion, it's one of the best features of our Evolution series. So we have this is in our setup menu. We have both static calibration and dynamic calibration. Now, both of these calibrations can be performed by your operator in under 2 minutes. With the static calibration, what you're going to use is a certified calibration weight. You can pick up a 500-gram calibration weight on Amazon for like $20 to $30. And what you do is just go into static calibration. You press OK. It's going to zero out the scale. You're going to double check and verify that the weight that you have put input here matches the weight of your calibration weight. You'll set that right on the load cell. You'll press OK. and then it's going to calibrate to verify that the load cell is reading the correct weight. Then for our dynamic calibration, what this feature does is the weight profile that's taken while the package is in motion changes from when the package is static. So this is going to do that compensation automatically. So what you're going to do is have a test container that you're going to want to know the exact weight of. And one of the ways you can do that actually is just by placing it on a load cell. We have a live gross weight that gets measured right here. So you can place your package right on the load cell and take the weight from there while it's doing static, and then you'll press OK. Review the package static weight to capture it. You can press OK while it's on the load cell. It's going to do that. And then you press OK to start the conveyor belts. You're going to run the package over it 5 times. It's going to compare the actual weight to what it reads while the package is in motion, and it's going to build in your compensation right there. Again, this is quick and simple. Your operators are able to do that themselves. You don't have to have like a certified technician come out and do your calibration for you. It's one of the greatest features that we offer on our Evolution series.
Why 3 legs on the Evolution Checkweigher?
Why 3 legs on the Evolution Checkweigher? 3 points make a plane. We have found that the 3 legs is very quick and simple to level out.
In what circumstances would you use an incline checkweigher?
In what circumstances would we use an incline checkweigher? So most of the time when we're using an incline checkweigher, what we're doing is we're filling into bags that are on a vertical form fill and seal machine. And then those bags need to go pretty much right into a cartoner. Now most of the time if you have a horizontal checkweigher, what that's going to have to do is sit after your cartoner. And by the time you're actually weighing those packages, you probably got 15 to 20 packages in that queue from the filler. And so by the time you're weighing it, your checkweigh feedback isn't going to be you've got 15 bad bags by the time you've actually been able to make your weight correction. And so by placing an incline checkweigher right between the vertical bagger and the cartoner, we're able to really shorten up that time. Our checkweigh feedback loop is much quicker and you have much better results.
Are any of the checkweighters rated for washdown?
Are any of our checkweighters rated for washdown? So we offer a wide range of washdown and IP rated systems. Our standard system is IP44. We also offer IP54, IP65, and all the way up to IP69K systems.
Do you use tubing for your frames?
Do we use tubing for our frames? So all of our standard framing is actually aluminum plate, hard anodized aluminum plate that is bolt together. Where you do see what looks like tubing, such as on the metal detector checkweigher, what that actually is solid rod. So it's very heavy, it's very stable. We don't use any open tubing on any of our checkweighters.
What types of reject mechanisms are available?
What type of reject mechanisms are available? So what you'll see on, maybe you can't see it from where you are right now, but we have air blast rejectors featured on our metal detector checkweigher right here. We also offer a push rejector. We can integrate with a Pico flex arm or a multi-finger style rejector. We've also done diverters that'll just push the container off onto a reject conveyor. And we also have the ability to do like a drop conveyor as well. So we can integrate with pretty much any style of rejector that you need us to. Whatever works best for your application and your line needs, we're able to make that work with our system.
Are the checkweighters capable of logging weights?
Are the checkweighters capable of logging weights? Yes, they are. Our Evolution series as a default logs 7 days worth of weights. That weight can be captured either via Ethernet IP directly to your data collection system, or you can have your operator bring over a USB flash drive, plug it right into this USB port right here, and it's a very simple push of a button to load all the weights that are on the system up to it.
What plant communication options are available?
What plant communication options are available? All of our checkweighers offer an Ethernet IP plant connection that can be connected either to upstream or downstream equipment to give, let it know that we're operating correctly. We can also, like I said, connect to a plant data connection, the collection system, and we're able to do any kind of communication that you need. And that about does it for the questions that we have today. If you have any additional questions that we haven't answered, please come on over to our website, www.spee-Dee.com. That's SPEE-DEE.com. And we look forward to discussing your application with you. Thank you very much.